Hello guys, come back with me on the Young Boy channel. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. As usual, I will look for toys using this truck. So, for those of you who like and comment the most, I will give you a prize. The prize is a cool patrol car, so what are you waiting for? Come on, click like and comment as much as you can, guys. Wow. There are lots of toys here. The toys are really cool. Okay, how about we transport all the toys into this big truck? But before that, don't forget to click like and subscribe, and thank you for clicking subscribe, guys. We'll take this one. And this is a very cool street sweeper car. We take it again. Wow, this is a special car at the zoo. Cool. We take it again. And this one is an orange Jeep. Cool. We take it again. Wow, and this is a yellow Mullen car. Cool. We take it again. And look here, there is a red fuel oil tanker. Cool. We take it again. And here there is a white container car. Cool. We take it again. Look, this is a blue dump truck. Very cool. We take it again. And this is a white, cool garbage collection car. We take it again. And this is a cool blue box car. We take it again. Whoa, and here there is a white racing car? Cool. We take it again. And this is a long yellow tank car. Very cool. We take it again. And this is a white, cool garbage collection car. We take it again. And here there is a white container car. Cool. We take it again. Wow, look, this is a black racing car. Cool. We take it again. And here there is a blue Tayo bus. Very cool. We take it again. And here there is a white container car. Cool. We take it again. Whoa, and this is a tank car. Very cool. We take it again. And look, this is an orange racing car. Cool. We take it again. And this last one is a steel tank car, guys. Cool. We take it again. And this is a red box car. Wow, cool. Okay, and now I have stored all the toys in the Tronton truck. Tomorrow, we will meet again. So you don't miss other interesting videos on my channel, don't forget to click like, comment, and subscribe. See you.